affordable, brand new townhomes in City of Toronto just become available. It's called Lambton near Bloor West Village. I'm Brian Khatambakhsh, team lead at Khatambakhsh Real Estate Team. This project has got townhomes that are over 1,800 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom with the parking, starting at 1.195. Yes, that's not a joke. This is real. This is the best deal in town. Occupancy for this is 2026. Not too fast, not too late. And guess what? If you are worried about interest rates, they'll buy down your interest rate for 2.99 for 2 years. Yes, you don't have to worry about interest rates. This project by far, square foot for square foot, beats any condo project in town. But you gotta hurry up because these things are going fast. There are only 58 of them and they're going really fast. If you want to get the floor plan and the latest prices of all the models, DM us your email so we can forward that to you. Remember, there are only 58 of them and they're going fast. So you gotta DM us with your email as soon as you can. We can send you information. This will be the best decision you ever make in your life. DM us your email and have a fantastic day.